Innoson motto should be a lesson and also a solution to ndị Igbo all over the world. If Innoson can establish a very big company like Innoson Motor in his village and be doing successful and be known worldwide, at least in Africa as a whole, why an average Igbo man will not reason or go and meet Innoson for a proper guideline of how Innoson be able to maneuver Nigeria and be establishing business in Southeast. One of our brother have finally cleared the air. I'm going to play you this video, but before we go, let's find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas JC. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, before we jump into this matter where we'll get for hand today, I want you to make sure say you are following this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update that's in the hot. Innoson motto for Nnewi, abi Innoson, yes, it's Nnewi. Innoson motto has been example to ndị Igbo. Because if Innoson can establish a huge investment in his hometown and be doing well, then why other Igbos will not do the same thing and learn from Innoson how he be able to run? Because if Innoson Motor is in Lagos or any other place, they will run Innoson down with their charges and other things. So they will be taxing Innoson and to make sure say they run him down as an Igbo man. But Innoson maneuver them and is being successful today. I'm going to play this video of this our brother who finally advised Igbos or how Innoson be able to do it. So let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Somebody sent me some heart-wrenching videos of demolition of houses in Lagos, mansions for that matter. And he asked me, what do I think about this matter? And the person alleged that it was a deliberate attempt to frustrate the Igbos in Lagos. And my take on it is that the Igbos, like other Nigerians, have the right to build and settle in any part of the country that they want, as long as Nigeria remains one united country. And the person wanted me to talk about that Igbos are building mansions in Lagos and elsewhere and all that. I said, to me, the Igbos and every other Nigerians, they have the right to build whatever type of house they want to build. But my advice, especially to ndị Igbo, is that they should think about their own history, their recent history. When they are doing some things they are doing, I will be the last person to tell anybody not to build any house outside Igbo land, because I understand the need to have a house of your own. And because Igbo people are basically business people, so when they have money, it's better they build their own house instead of a situation where the landlord will use them and be playing football. So if they can have the resources to do that. But what I don't support is building of mansions like the kind I saw that were being demolished. I think that Igbo should be circumspect in building such mansions outside the Southeast. But it's also their right to build the kind of house they want to build. And when they build it, I hope that they build it in places that are authorized, so that if anybody demolish it, the person must pay them compensation for it. So that's one thing that has to be taken care of. You can build anything you like, anywhere you want, but try as much as possible to make sure that you build it in authorized place, so that if for any reason government decide to revoke your certificate of occupancy is not an internal document. It is for 99 years. So government can also decide tomorrow to take that land to build something in public interest. Now, but there is something important also the person told me, which I also want to talk about here. It's about setting up investment in the Southeast, making sure that you don't put all your eggs in one basket, that all your business ventures are not all domiciled in Lagos and elsewhere outside Southeast. The truth of the matter is that if you understand the economy of location of industry, you know that businesses have some factors that you have to take into consideration. So you don't particularly blame people when they decide to locate their industries in Lagos, because there are certain factors. It could be because they will have access to bank loans. It could be because they will have access to the market. It could be because they will have access to export their whatever they are manufacturing, whatever they are trading on easily. Okay, that's why they want to be closer to Lagos, because the ports in the southeast ports are not working. Because I believe that if the southeast ports like Port Harcourt is functional, Ibom port is functional in Akwa Ibom, and the Calabar port is functional, and the system allow you, if you are in Aba, you import whatever you want to import from Calabar port, from Ibom port, and if it's from Sapele port that is good for you or whatever. You see that there will be very few people in Lagos to be competing for space. People will be more convenient. It will be more convenient for somebody living in Aba to be importing his goods from Port Harcourt or from Calabar than from Lagos. Okay. Now, that being said, I also talk about the fact that one Nigerian, one Southeasterner, amongst others, who have really shown that you can do your business, even manufacturing in the Southeast, and still be global. And you wouldn't have anything to worry about your assets in Lagos. An example is Innoson Chukwuma, the founder of Innoson Motors. He is based in Nnewi in Anambra State. Okay? Now, the whole world are coming to Anambra State to purchase his vehicles. Even Lagos State government bought some of his vehicles. People are buying his vehicles from Sierra Leone, Liberia, outside, within the West African sub-region and beyond. Yet, he is based in Nnewi. Already, he is expanding his facility in Nnewi now, right now, as I talk to you. He's building a gigantic manufacturing company that producing car. Are you getting that? And he has the component parts of his vehicles that is also manufacturing in Enugu. So you can say that there is nothing particularly wrong or bad in setting up your businesses in Southeast, in Enugu, in Nnewi, in Aba, and all that. The whole country will still come to you when you do your work well. So that is advice we have to give to those who felt being threatened, marginalized, and being treated like second-class citizens in Lagos. That is, when they should look at Innoson Chukwuma. They should study the way he was able to integrate his business from Lagos to Nnewi, and he has been very successful in doing it. And the world are coming to Nnewi to buy whatever he has to produce. He's getting all the recognitions he needs. So it's not necessarily true that you have to be in Lagos for you to be able to attract the attention of the world. So that's a lesson that we need to tell our people, those of us who are of Igbo extraction, who are living in Lagos and who feel that their livelihood are always threatened, to begin to think about strategy of divesting. Not that you have to leave Lagos, but at least make sure that at the end of the day, whatever you're doing, if you can do it in the southeast, better for you, so that you won't have any problem, any governor, Sanwo-Olu and co coming to tell you that your property is now in an illegal place, or I want to take over your property, and they will not be talking about compensation. That's my take on this for now. I have written a book, The Igbo Phenomenon. You can check it out on Amazon. It had been there. You can check it out, The Igbo Phenomenon, where I talk about so many things about the Igbo cosmology and business etiquettes and all that. It was based on a powerful research that I did. So you can check it out. If you're of Igbo extraction, you're a friend of the Igbo, you want to know about the successes of the Igbo in business, how they were able to do it and all that, it contained in that book. Check it out on Amazon. Just type my name. You see a whole lot of books that I have on Amazon. You see that particular one, The Igbo Phenomenon. So when you read it, you see that I have really addressed some of the issues that has to do with the Igbo and the rest of Nigeria. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And we are in the Christmas season and all that. Look under this video. If you didn't see it, look under other videos that I have in my catalog. You see a link that will take you to Jumia. If you click that link, any phone, latest phone that you saw there and you bought it through this link, Amazon, Jumia is going to give you 40% off from any price, whatever is the price of the phone. If it is 200,000 naira they are selling the phone, be sure they will give you 40% off because you connected through this line. You connected through this my video under it. Thank you and God bless you once again.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, I don't hear within this man talk, because we're supposed to learn from each other. This is what make Igbos who they are today, because if you remember that when one person start, he will carry him brother and teach him brother, and him brother will carry another person and teach another person. So Igbo should continue that way. If Innoson can survive in multi-million billion business in Southeast, means every other business can grow in Southeast, because when we grow heavily, we will demand for the things we need for make it easier for Ndi Igbo. So Igbos to think and also learn from Innoson. Brothers, please share this video as you can and make sure you are following this page. Thank you so much.